and the ability to achieve uncontested air dominance anywhere, anytime. They are the United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron.
Jones from the right, Major Curtis inbound for show center at a closing speed of nearly 1,000 miles per hour. Before meeting, they'll bank sharply, nearly avoiding each other for the opposing knife edge pass. Approaching a header from the left, the Thunderbirds are in trail formation with each wingman flying just a few feet from the aircraft in front of them. On command, watch as they smoothly transition back to the Thunderbird Diamond formation. You show the lights that stop me, turn to Our two solo pilots have positioned themselves on opposite ends of the runway to cross at show center. A difficult maneuver made even more challenging since Thunderbird 5 is approaching upside down.
Are they even using smoke, or is it just because they're going so fast?
Now, high to the right, watch as our two wingmen, Major Joshua Boudreau and Major Caroline Jensen, have dropped back to fly up our slot pilot, Major Kurt Doherty, in the Arrowhead formation loop.
I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.